Definitely the prettiest place we've seen in Washington. Probably easy top 3 anywhere I've ever seen.
We're Chris and Sarah,
a husband and wife creative duo.
5 years ago, we met cycling across America. 3 years ago, we got married, and our current adventure is traveling and working full-time out of our DIY Sprinter van.
We're on a mission to live more meaningful lives by inviting other people along the way to join us in the adventure. We are Let's Be Us. Have you ever been on the highway and passed a city and said, one day I'm going to stop there? Well, that's Bellingham for us. But when our friend Mason reached out on Instagram, we had the perfect excuse to finally stop and see for ourselves what this hidden gem of a city has to offer. Welcome to Bellingham. It's home to the largest mural in Washington, countless shops and restaurants, and our friend Mason. What started out as a quick cup of coffee one afternoon turned into a 3-day adventure of hanging out with him and seeing why he loves this town so much. So here's the inside scoop on what to see and do in Washington's best kept secret. With Vancouver, British Columbia just to the north, and Seattle not far to the south, North Cascade National Park to its east, and Olympic National Park to its west, Bellingham is the perfect storm of outdoor adventure, arts, and culture, and enough food and entertainment to keep you consistently entertained. Like every good adventure, this one started out with coffee.
I got a 8-ounce chai latte. So I haven't had chai in forever. I'm very excited about this. It's past, I can't have caffeine past like 2 o'clock and it's almost 3, so, but less caffeine than coffee, I think. We'll find out. Oh, see that?
With coffee in hand, we took a stroll around town to learn more about the past, present, and future plans for the city.
We're 2 in the nation for arts businesses per capita.
Really?
Yep, just learned that.
Wow.
We have some really cool museums. We have the Spark Museum of Electrical Innovation, which is where like Thomas Edison's original stuff is.
No way.
Yeah, and then we have the Pickford Film Center, which is this amazing local documentary theater, and they show all these great indie films. It's super
that
awesome.
would have been cool to check out.
Yeah.
After lots of walking and talking, it's time for our favorite go-to eat, tacos. Sorry, didn't mean to make you all hungry.
Good. That's like our local grocer. They have some cool like
We
local
haven't been there.
foods.
Are you gonna film me eating
Just
this?
do it. Just
Please,
do it.
Chris, no.
Yeah, you need it. The really grotesque shot.
Thank you.
After refueling with tacos and queso, we went right back to checking out more of the local shops and around town. Bellingham is full of artists and entrepreneurs who have committed to investing back into their community, and it definitely shows. One-of-a-kind, locally owned shops have popped up all around town. We even got to go behind the scenes of a local brewery. More walking and talking with other Bellingham locals showed us more of the history of the city and how locals are continually preserving this irreplaceable historical architecture all around town for shops, restaurants, and even old buildings being renovated in boutique hotels. We finished day 1 of our adventure with a perfect sunset at Teddy Bear Cove. Located just 5 minutes from Bellingham, this short trail takes you right to the water with a prime sunset viewing seat. After a gorgeous sunset and a solid night's rest at a local state park, we woke up early the next day, ready to take on another day of exploring.
Oh my gosh.
So this is what we got.
What is that, maple and bacon?
This is maple and bacon.
Oh my gosh.
So Mason said
It's the best.
it's
This
the
is
best.
my thing. Okay. I'm so excited. No, you don't get any. Get off there.
Oh yeah.
Thumbnail.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Is it good?
Thoughts?
Bacon on a donut. It's actually pretty good. Yeah. I'm a food blogger now.
We are at the Bellingham Farmers Market. This is one of our favorite kind of things to do every Saturday morning, no matter where we are. We love a good farmers market, and Bellingham has this top-notch one. It's right here, and it kind of goes on the other side of the building too. We'll walk you guys around it, maybe try some stuff. But yeah, it's Saturday morning, and we're gonna go get food.
You seem really excited about
I am
it.
really excited. I love good food, so let's go. I want all the flowers.
This is the Bellingham Farmers Market.
You're on film right now.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
It's Bellingham
He's like,
Farmers Market.
This is great.
It's a really popular one. It's one of the largest in the state. And it's a cool mix because it's not just food. We have different goods, we have art, all different things. You can come here and do your weekly grocery shopping and buy a lawn ornament. You know, like it's really fun.
Want blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries?
Let's do some strawberries and raspberries.
We got our coffee and our teas.
Black coffee, no cream.
You're boring. Our friend Mason recommended the best way to finish out our time in the Bellingham, North Washington area is to go to this place called Artist Point.
Yes.
Artist Point. It's in the Mount Baker region, so it's not a national park, but it ought to be because it's supposed to be amazing. We've been to Mount Baker before, but not at the specific place.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check it out and hopefully catch sunset there.
Yeah. So we're gonna get in the van, drive an hour and a half.
I don't even know if it's that. There's a lot of mountains really close to the Bellingham area, so I think it's like an hour, like you said, hour and a half.
Yeah, something like that. So we're gonna get in the car, drink our coffee, and let's go see some wilderness.
Let's go.
An hour and a half drive may sound long, but it flies by with views like this the entire way. All right, so we just finished out the day in Bellingham, and we are at
Artist Point.
Artist Point. And
We're in the Mount Baker region area.
yes,
National Forest.
National Forest. The Cascade National Park is pretty close to here, but technically it's not the national park. But anyway, this is probably one of the most beautiful places
we've ever seen. Definitely the prettiest place we've seen in Washington. Probably easy top 3 anywhere I've ever seen.
It's gorgeous, and you can pay $5 to get in, or if you have a National Parks Pass, you can get in. It is National Forest, and
Dogs are allowed.
dogs are allowed everywhere, and which is great. And so this has just been, it's been like the ultimate like icing on the cake for us. Bottom line is, this is Washington's best kept secret.
I'd say it's one of Washington's best kept secrets.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah. Add it to your list. Bellingham, awesome town, mountains around it. Far superior to anything else, I think, in the area.
Yeah.
So make it a day trip for sure, if not more.